Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to add stickers to your GIFs on the Momento application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Select a picture you would like to edit, and after that tap on this smile icon next to the AA icon in the upper right corner of the picture. Here you can find a bunch of stickers, but if you want to search for a specific one, tap on the search GIF icon and just simply type in a keyword that might narrow down your search, and then tap on it and position it within your screen. Add as many stickers you want to. Just tap on it and position it within the picture. If you are done, click on the save button down below in the right side corner, select the format, the quality, and save it as a GIF, video, or live photo. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.